The Pile Capacity Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine the load-bearing capacity of foundation piles using multiple analysis methods. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu, which offers static bearing capacity, ENR Dynamic formula, Gates formula, allowable capacity, pile group efficiency, or settlement analysis. For this demonstration, I'm using static bearing capacity. Enter your pile diameter in meters. Here I'm using 0.40. Input the embedded length. I'll use 15 meters. Set your bearing capacity factor NQ at 40 and the effective stress at tip at 250 kilopascals. Finally, input the average skin friction at 45 kilopascals. Now let's calculate. With these inputs, the calculator gives us an end bearing capacity of 1256.6 kilonewtons and a skin friction capacity of 848.2 kilonewtons. These combine for an ultimate capacity of 2104.9 kilonewtons. The allowable capacity with a factor of safety of 2.5 is 841.9 kilonewtons. The status indicates end bearing contributes 59.7%, while skin friction provides 40.3%, confirming this pile behaves as end bearing dominant. This tool streamlines pile capacity analysis for your foundation designs. Find the link in the description below.